Welcome to Super Siblings. Today, we're doing a Nerf battle. So the thing is, you have 10 lives on the versus my dad, and we both get this gun, the same gun, and there's a home base with bullets. You can get shot doing it. So basically, just if you get hit, you lose a life, and you have 10 lives. So, 3, 1.
Oh, it's off. My dad against my brother. Oh, it's getting feisty. He's ready, and he's scared.
Oh, you got me!
My dad got Charlie. Now let's go with that.
Ooh.
Got you!
You didn't get me?
Yeah, I did.
Did it hit me?
I don't think so. Can you
Did?
turn on the guys?
Okay,
the
it's
lights?
1-1.
Turn on the lights in here.
Okay.
I can't see anything with my camera. Oh, Charlie's coming in. My dad, strong. And if they hit me, minus 5 points.
Did I get you?
Did I get you?
No.
Yeah, you got me.
I did?
Yeah.
2-1 dad.
2. My dad won. First one to get to 10 wins. He's at 2. He's at 1.
Oh.
It's on you.
Got you. Did I get you?
Yeah. 2-2.
We're in the kitchen. We turn. We watch. Dad, if we go tomorrow, we can eat Papa John's. Oh, my brother's coming in hot. Turn around, jerk. Let's see what's going on.
Oh, dang.
Ooh, the action's booming, ladies and gentlemen.
Did I get you? Got me. What's the score?
3-3.
3-3.
My dad's right. By the way, it's first one to 10. Because you have to hit the other person.
You got me too. 4-4.
4 to 4. They got each other at the same time. Who knows, ladies and gents? This might just be a tie. My dad is trying to get my brother.
Ow. Ow.
Oh, my dad hit the ram. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Yeah. Oh, you see what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. You see what's going on. He's running.
Did I get you?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
Give
man.
me twice.
All right, I gotta reload.
I gotta reload too.
They're both real. Time out! You are not allowed to shoot at this time. I'm giving you guys 5 seconds to reload. 5. And if you hit me, you get 5 points. Here, the other person whoever hits me. Whoever hits me gets deducted 5 points.
What's the score, Charlie? 4-4?
It's currently 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are allowed to shoot. Charlie secretly still reading.
Wow!
My dad
What's the
got
score,
him.
girls?
5-4.
5-4 daddy. Let's go.
They get pumped up, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, they.
6-4 daddy.
Somebody once told me this is fun.
Oh! So it's 7-5 daddy.
Somebody once told me. If you hit me, you're out.
Got you. I beat you that again. 8.
My
8
dad got 8 and Charlie has 4.
5.
He has 5. What a dramatic difference.
Wait, what is it?
5 to 8. Charlie's 5 and my dad is winning in the lead by 3 points. First one to 10, ladies and gentlemen. First one to 10.
Oh! That stung, son.
He snuck attack
8-6.
on my dad. That's. If you hit me, you're out. If you hit me, you automatically lose. Make that the rule.
9 daddies. Game point daddies. 9 what? 6?
9-6, ladies and gentlemen. 9-6.
I'm out.
Okay, reload.
Reload time for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can shoot. Dad, you can shoot. It's crazy, ladies and gentlemen. My dad just shot him in the foot over there.
Yes.
This was crazy. Is that
What's
7?
the score?
7 and 9. My brother's
Make sure the
catching
balls
up.
are pushed all the way in.
When I cocked my gun.
Times. Let me see it.
5, 4. Just kidding, guys.
Here you go.
I cocked it in.
Technical difficulty. Technical difficulty.
Wow. 9-8.
He just got it.
I'm out again.
All right, times. Reload. I'll give you 10 seconds.
10
to reload.
seconds. 10,
I can't find
9, 8, 7. Behind you. 6, 5, 4, 3,
Push them all the way in. I want to.
1. No. He's still trying to get the bullets in. You could easily hit him right now.
I got a trick.
Easily.
He falls for the same trick every time. Yeah. Oh, he didn't come that time.
My name is shoot.
Okay.
Barely missed my dad. Did you see that, ladies and gentlemen? Did you see that? Perfect angle. Perfect. I should be a professional camera person. Oh, he's looking at my dad's right there. Did you guys see that? My dad's right there. He's going upstairs. Did you hit him? He's got the high ground. Ladies and gentlemen. I think you got him.
No, he didn't give me.
Sorry if we missed anything, guys.
Ow.
My dad's out.
Oh! He got me in the head.
But first of all, his bounced up and hit him in the
It's
face.
okay.
So I think he should also be out.
Is that game? Is that game?
Did I hit you?
No, is it game? Is 9-9?
Yeah, it's not.
Shoot.
That was a close one. And this Nerf Gun's not working.
Putting my dart in.
Pause! Pause game, you're not allowed to shoot. Pause game. Pause game, you're not allowed to shoot, guys. This is the time to reload. And just get prepared and hide and do what you want to do.
Wait, Kelsey, I thought you were filming action.
I am filming action.
Let me see.
I'm turning the camera when you guys come. It's not like I'd be filming a bucket. That does seem like a typical Kelsey thing. But I am not.
Say go.
Ready, set, start her up!
Oh, shoot! He's got a bullet. Did I get you?
Did you?
I hit the winner! Oh. I won!
Throw it at me.
I won! Let's Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Can you end it? Go.
Okay, guys, we're gonna look at the footage.
Okay, guys.
I did get him. So I am the winner. Bye.